It's actually quite hilarious that when I started a month ago, I didn't have anything. I had my cell phone, and that was basically it. So I took a metal frame and put two pieces of wood across it and laid the cell phone down, and then, made a hand video like you see on certain tarot reading videos. So there's still some of those videos on my channel. And that was the only way that I could start to make videos. Now, because it is, you'll see, a tremendous learning curve. And it depends what walk of life you are from. My background basically is ex-human resources. I spent two decades in human resources. And we also crossed an ocean in a small boat. So we were cruising for a long, long time in our lives. So, starting a channel was definitely not in my wheelhouse at all. But it's been interesting. And I would like to share all the mistakes that I made with you, because I believe that's how we learn. Now, the first thing is I quickly realized that I needed a little bit more equipment than what I had. Then I started doing a lot of research regarding different videos and different video types and what are you supposed to do. And I want to tell you that there's a lot of stuff made on YouTube that will tell you that, this is easy. Just take your cell phone and just get going and make one video upon the other, and you'll be a multimillionaire soon. Now, I don't think that that's entirely true. It could happen, I suppose, but I believe it's hard work and it's dedication. And I also believe that videos should be made for the audience. They shouldn't be made for anything else. I see a lot of faceless channels that will propagate that, it's quite easy, just copy and paste and off you go. I suppose it all depends where you are on that spectrum. Regarding, for me, I would prefer to have a with face channel. I would prefer to have engagement. But then again, that's my kind of niche. My niche calls for engagement. The other type of video is short versus long. And I really believe that I wasted a lot of time and made a huge mistake by initially making a lot of shorts. I have, at this time of talking to you, I have two long form videos that's doing very, very well. And I believe that from now on I will only concentrate on long form. The biggest struggle for me during the month was definitely editing. I had absolutely no idea. When I started seeing things like A-roll and B-roll and, maybe every second you need to break it with B-roll and all the kinds of theories and strategies that there were regarding that. I still struggle with editing. My first video, I couldn't believe that a 30-second video took me probably 6 or 7 hours. So again, the learning curve is way up there, and that's okay. If you're in it to learn, then start a channel. I quickly realized that in terms of editing, there would probably there's a lot of options, but I came across Canva, trying to start to use Canva, and I quickly saw that it was problematic because our internet is really not great. We have line of sight internet with a dish system, so our internet isn't great at all. It's definitely not fiber. So it took ages for me to upload Canva. And you know, it was frustrating because after like 2 or 3 hours of just trying to upload anything less than 1 gigabyte, everything just stopped. And that really was an hour wasted. And then fortunately I found Clipchamp, which is amazing because now all of a sudden, instead of only being able to upload less than 1 gigabyte onto Canva, I can upload, I think the last was 2.5 gigabytes on Clipchamp, and sure, that took 15 minutes or so, but it's a huge improvement. So I'm definitely a Clipchamp fan at this point in time.